Mastering advice. The power of should, ought to, and had better. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning simple, enjoyable, and highly effective. Today, we are going to dive deeper into the realm of modal verbs. We are focusing on the modal verbs we often use when giving advice. Should, ought to, and had better. These verbs can seem tricky, but don't worry, we're here to make things clear and easy. Before we dive into the exercises, let's do a quick recap. We use should and ought to give advice or suggest something. Both carry the same meaning, but ought to is a bit more formal. On the other hand, had better is used to give advice about specific situations, especially when there is a sense of urgency or potential negative consequence if the advice isn't followed. Remember, while using had better, we don't change its form according to the subject. It's always had better. Now that we've refreshed our memories, it's time to get hands-on. Example 1. Let's start easy. How do you give advice to someone who is tired because they have been working too much? You might say, you should take a break. Or, you ought to rest a bit. Example 2. Your friend forgot to bring their umbrella, and it looks like it will rain. You can say, you had better buy an umbrella before it starts to rain. Try to make your own sentences using should, ought to, and had better. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Great, let's dive into the quizzes. 1. Fill in the blank. You, blank, finish your homework before playing games. Hint: this is a friendly suggestion. 2. Fill in the blank. She, blank, notify her boss about her absence tomorrow. Hint: this is a strong piece of advice. 3. Choose the correct answer. We, blank, better book our flight tickets soon. Is it had or should? Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these modal verbs, the more comfortable you'll feel. Well done! You've done an excellent job practicing should, ought to, and had better today. Keep practicing these modal verbs, and soon you'll find yourself using them naturally in your conversations. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and share it with fellow learners. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're excited to see you in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning!